Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. These vibrant and diverse organisms, so crucial to life on Earth, possess a remarkable ability to create new life from within their delicate structures. Today we'll explore the intricate processes that ensure the survival and diversity of these beautiful organisms, delving into the hidden world of flowers and uncovering the secrets of their reproductive success. Our journey begins with the flower, a marvel of natural engineering. Its beauty is not merely aesthetic, for each element plays a crucial role in the plant's reproductive cycle. Imagine the flower as a stage, and upon it four key players: the calyx, the corolla, the pistil, and the androecium. The calyx, often green and leaf-like, acts as a protective guardian, shielding the developing bud. The corolla, with its vibrant petals, serves as a flamboyant advertisement, attracting pollinators with its alluring colors and sweet scents. At the heart of this floral stage lies the pistil, the female reproductive organ, and the androecium, the male counterpart. Remember this quartet, for they hold the key to understanding the miracle of plant reproduction. Deep within the anthers, the pollen sacs of the flower, a microscopic drama unfolds. Here, within these tiny chambers, the miracle of life begins with the formation of pollen. Imagine countless tiny factories, each dedicated to producing the golden dust that carries the plant's genetic legacy. This process, known as Microsporogenesis, is a marvel of miniaturization and precision. It begins with a single cell, the microspore mother cell, containing all the genetic information of the plant. Through a delicate dance of division called meiosis, this single cell gives rise to 4 microspores, each carrying half the genetic material. These microspores mature into pollen grains, tiny vessels carrying the potential for new life. Our journey now takes us deep within the ovary of the flower, to the ovule, the cradle of plant reproduction. Here, nestled within the protective walls of the ovary, lies the megaspore mother cell, its destiny intertwined with the arrival of the pollen. This remarkable cell undergoes a similar process of division, meiosis, giving rise to 4 megaspores. However, only one of these megaspores survives, destined to become the embryo sac, the heart of the ovule. Within this embryo sac, a further transformation occurs. Through a series of mitotic divisions, 8 nuclei are formed, each playing a crucial role in the fertilization process. Remember this octet, for they hold the key to unlocking the next stage of our story. Chapter 4. Pollination, a journey of chance and design. With pollen grains ready and waiting within the anthers, the stage is set for one of nature's most intricate processes. The ovule, nestled deep within the flower, is prepared for their arrival, a moment that will determine the future of the plant. The next stage of our story unfolds: pollination, a delicate dance of chance and design where every movement is crucial. Pollen grains, carried by the wind, embark on a journey fraught with uncertainty. Or they hitch a ride on the bodies of unsuspecting insects, each grain a tiny traveler with a vital mission. These grains embark on a perilous journey, facing numerous obstacles along the way. Their destination is the stigma of a receptive flower where they can fulfill their purpose. Some plants rely on the whims of the wind, their pollen scattered far and wide, hoping to reach a compatible mate. The wind, though unpredictable, can carry pollen over great distances, increasing the chances of successful pollination. Other plants entice animal couriers, offering sweet nectar and vibrant colors in exchange for their services. These couriers, such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, play a crucial role in the pollination process. Whether by air or by animal, the successful arrival of pollen on the stigma is a moment of triumph. This crucial step ensures the continuation of the plant's lineage, allowing it to produce seeds and propagate. In this intricate dance of nature, every element plays its part, contributing to the beautiful cycle of life. Chapter 5. Double fertilization, a botanical tango. Once a pollen grain reaches the stigma, a remarkable process unfolds, a process that is both intricate and fascinating. This process, unique to flowering plants, is known as double fertilization. It is a dance of life, a botanical tango that ensures the continuation of plant species. The pollen grain, stimulated by the sugary secretions of the stigma, begins to germinate. This is the first step in a complex journey. It sends out a pollen tube that grows down through the style, a narrow passage that leads to the ovary of the flower. Within this pollen tube are the male gametes, the sperm cells, which are crucial for fertilization. The pollen tube, guided by chemical signals from the ovule, navigates its way through the maze of tissue. This journey is precise and purposeful. Eventually, the pollen tube reaches its destination, the embryo sac, where the magic of fertilization happens. Here, one sperm cell fuses with the egg cell, forming the zygote. This zygote is the first cell of the new plant, the beginning of a new life. From this single cell, a complex organism will grow, eventually becoming a mature plant. The second sperm cell fuses with two polar nuclei within the embryo sac, forming the endosperm. The endosperm is a nutrient-rich tissue that will nourish the developing embryo, providing it with the energy it needs to grow and thrive. This entire process, from pollination to the formation of the endosperm, is a testament to the intricate and beautiful mechanisms of nature. Chapter 6. Transformation from flower to fruit. Following the miracle of double fertilization, a remarkable transformation begins. The ovary, once home to the ovule, swells and ripens, its tissues changing, its colors shifting as it develops into a fruit. Inside the developing fruit, the ovule undergoes its own transformation, hardening and developing into a seed, a protective vessel for the developing embryo. The zygote, the product of the fusion of sperm and egg, divides and differentiates, growing into a multicellular embryo, a miniature plant, dormant yet full of potential. And the endosperm, formed from the fusion of the second sperm cell and the polar nuclei, serves as a vital food reserve, providing the embryo with the energy it needs to germinate and grow. Chapter 7. Seed Dispersal. A journey to new beginnings. Our journey culminates with the dispersal of seeds, a crucial stage in the life cycle of flowering plants, ensuring the survival and propagation of their species. This process is not just a simple act of spreading seeds, it is a complex and fascinating journey that involves various strategies and mechanisms. Each plant has evolved unique ways to ensure its seeds reach suitable environments where they can thrive. Seeds, each containing a tiny embryo and a store of nutrients, are dispersed far and wide, carried by the wind, by water, or on the bodies of animals. The wind can carry seeds over vast distances, allowing them to colonize new areas. Water dispersal is equally effective, with seeds floating to new locations, sometimes traveling hundreds of miles. Some seeds are equipped with wings or parachutes, catching the wind and sailing to new territories. These adaptations are marvels of natural engineering, allowing seeds to glide gracefully through the air, maximizing their chances of landing in a suitable spot for germination. Others hitch a ride on the fur or feathers of passing animals, their rough surfaces clinging tight. This method of dispersal ensures that seeds can travel long distances, often ending up in habitats that are ideal for their growth. Animals unknowingly become agents of plant propagation, carrying seeds to new and diverse environments. Still others are enclosed in tasty fruits, their seeds dispersed far and wide in the droppings of animals. This method not only ensures the seeds are spread over a wide area, but also provides them with a nutrient-rich environment to start their growth. The journey through an animal's digestive system often helps to break down the seed coat, making it easier for the seed to germinate once it reaches the ground. Each method of dispersal, a testament to the ingenuity of nature, ensures that seeds find fertile ground where they can germinate and grow, perpetuating the cycle of life. The diversity of dispersal strategies highlights the adaptability and resilience of plants, showcasing their ability to survive and thrive in a variety of environments. This journey of seed dispersal is a beautiful and essential part of the natural world, reminding us of the intricate connections that sustain life on our planet. Outro, a floral farewell. As our journey through the world of plant reproduction comes to an end, we are left with a profound appreciation for the intricate processes that govern the lives of these remarkable organisms. From the delicate dance of pollination to the miracle of double fertilization, from the transformation of flower to fruit to the dispersal of seeds, each stage is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. So next time you encounter a flower, take a moment to appreciate the complex and fascinating world that lies hidden within its petals, a world of